Hello friends, today's video regarding OUKITEL RT6 tablet.
Life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
The OUKITEL RT6 features a more sturdy appearance than comparable tablets, thanks to rubberized corners and sealed ports. The RT6 has passed thousands of tests for water, dust, shock, high and low temperatures, altitude, and other factors. It is MIL-STD-810H and IP68, IP69K certified. Nonetheless, despite its high level of durability, this OUKITEL tablet is extremely comfortable to use due to its metal support. In consideration of people who spend the day away from home, the OUKITEL RT6 tablet boasts a large 20,000 mAh battery that can last up to 15 hours of continuous video playback. The reverse charging capability of the 33-watt technology, on the other hand, allows you to extend the autonomy of your other devices while also speeding up the charging process. The MediaTek MT8788 chipset, which powers the OUKITEL RT6 tablet, combines 4 Cortex-A73 cores with great performance and 4 Cortex-A53 cores with high efficiency, all operating at 2.0 GHz. The 8GB RAM memory included with this chipset can be used to support memory-intensive applications by converting up to 8GB of accessible storage into RAM using extension technologies. It also contains 256GB of ROM memory, which can be expanded by entering a memory card with a maximum capacity of 1 TB. The front of the OUKITEL RT6 sports a 10.1-inch IPS display with a 14.4:9 aspect ratio and scratch-resistant glass. This screen has a maximum brightness of 400 nits and an FHD plus resolution of 1200 by 1920 pixels. It also has 2 speakers that produce excellent stereo sound. The front and back cameras on the OUKITEL RT6 tablet are both 16 MP. This OUKITEL tablet has 4G connectivity as well as dual-band Wi-Fi, allowing you to work or video call from anywhere. It also has Bluetooth 4.2 and OTG technology, allowing you to connect to other electrical devices like as headphones, a keyboard, and a mouse, among others, and easily transfer data. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy.